Welcome. You'll find a wide selection of listings. This video is brought to you by your real estate agent, Lloyd. This condominium is a great choice for those who want the privacy and easy maintenance of condo living, and it's located in this area. Currently listed at $575,000. It's been on the market since January. This property was built in 1995 and features over 1,400 square feet of space, giving you a spacious layout to play host or kick back and relax after a long day. Inside, you'll find 3 bedrooms, so everyone has a private space to come home to, as well as 2 full bathrooms. All these great features add up to a property that might be not just your next house, but your next home. If you're interested in learning more, click on screen to contact us for more information or share this property with your friends. We look forward to hearing from you.